In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your VPN is working properly on your iPhone. For this tutorial, we'll use NordVPN, which I highly recommend. You can use the link in the description to download it and follow along. First, let's confirm your current IP address before the VPN is active. Make sure your VPN is completely turned off. Open your VPN app and disconnect, or check the VPN toggle in your iPhone settings to confirm it's off. Next, open Safari or any other browser you use on your iPhone. In the search bar, go to a website that shows your public IP address, such as whatismyipaddress.com, or simply search "What is my IP" on Google. The page will display a number listed as your IP address and a location, usually showing a city or region. This is where your internet traffic is currently being routed from. Take note of it or screenshot it. This is your real location when the VPN is off. Now, it's time to test the VPN. Open your NordVPN app, turn it on, and select a server located in a different country or region from your current location. For example, if you're in New York, pick a server in London, Paris, or Tokyo. Wait a few seconds for the VPN to connect. Most apps will confirm the connection with a green light or a message. Once connected, go back to your browser and refresh the IP check website. Check the IP address and location again. This time, it should show a location different from before. For instance, if you connected to a London server, your IP should now appear based in or near London. This change confirms that your VPN is working correctly, routing your traffic through the server you selected, protecting your privacy, and allowing access to region-restricted content. If the IP or location hasn't changed, your VPN might not be connected properly. Try disconnecting and reconnecting, or selecting a different server. Sometimes certain servers may be temporarily down or blocked. And that's it. This method is simple, quick, and doesn't require any special tools, just your iPhone and a browser. Using a VPN adds an extra layer of security, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. With NordVPN, you get a smooth iOS experience and complete privacy for your internet connection. Don't forget to use the link in the description to download NordVPN and start protecting your iPhone today.